All right, in other news now, the CBI has registered a case against Cambridge Analytica. It's filed a case also against the Global Science Research Limited, which is also based in the UK. The CBI has filed this case for alleged data theft from Facebook. The CBI says the data was stolen to influence Indian elections, and data of 5.2 lakh Indian Facebook users was stolen. Let's go across to Arvind for more. Arvind, give us the details.
Gargi, the Central Bureau of Investigation has registered a case against UK-based firm Cambridge Analytica and also Global Science Research Limited for allegedly stealing the data from Indian Facebook users. In fact, the central government had asked Central Bureau of Investigation to look into this issue after this Facebook Cambridge Analytica data theft case was reported across the globe. So the Union government had asked the Central Bureau of Investigation to look into the matter, after which the Central Bureau of Investigation in 2018 July had initiated a preliminary inquiry. So in last 30 months of the preliminary inquiry, finally the Central Bureau of Investigation has come to a conclusion that there is prima facie a criminal offence in this matter, and that's why the agency has booked both the UK-based firms, one Cambridge Analytica and second one is Global Science Research Limited. So what is the allegation based on which the Central Bureau of Investigation has registered the case is that, according to the Central Bureau of Investigation, they had approached Facebook and also the Cambridge Analytica for their information, for their response to this particular allegation. Facebook had told the Central Bureau of Investigation saying that they did allow Global Science Research Limited, their mobile application, this is your digital life mobile application, to collect data for their academic and also scientific research. But according to the Facebook, the Global Science Research Limited, they overruled. In fact, they collected the illegal data. They illegally collected the data, including the private contents, including the contents of private messages of users from India to the tune of around 5.62 lakh users. And that particular data was illegally shared with Cambridge Analytica, and Cambridge Analytica used those information to allegedly influence elections in India. So this is the prima facie allegation based on which the Central Bureau of Investigation has named these two companies as accused in this FIR. The agency has also invoked criminal conspiracy as an offence, and also cybercrime as a section in this FIR. Though both these companies have been named as an accused, Facebook has not been named as an accused. Facebook response was sought by CBI, and satisfied with their response, the agency has booked only these two companies, Cambridge Analytica and also Global Science Research Limited.
All right, Arvind, thanks so much for joining us with those details.